Welcome back to the channel, Auto Legends Dynamics. Today, we're diving into one of the most popular and budget-friendly hatchbacks on the market, the 2025 Suzuki Alto VXR. If you're looking for an affordable, fuel-efficient, and practical city car, stay tuned because this little machine has a lot to offer. Suzuki has kept the Alto's signature compact design intact, making it a perfect choice for urban driving. The 2025 model comes with subtle design refinements, including a refreshed front grille, sleek halogen headlights, and a slightly improved aerodynamic profile. While it remains a simple car, Suzuki has made sure it still carries a modern appeal. The body-colored bumpers and stylish wheel caps give it a cleaner look, making it a great option for those who want a no-nonsense yet stylish hatchback. Under the hood, the 2025 Suzuki Alto VXR is powered by a 660cc, three-cylinder petrol engine, delivering around 39 horsepower and 56 newton-meters of torque. Now, this might not sound like much, but given its lightweight body, the Alto provides decent performance for city driving. The engine is paired with a 5-speed manual transmission, ensuring a smooth and economical ride. Speaking of economy, fuel efficiency remains one of the Alto's biggest strengths, offering around 20 to 22 kilometers per liter, making it one of the best choices for budget-conscious drivers. Inside the cabin, the 2025 Alto VXR keeps things minimal yet functional. The dashboard layout is simple, with a basic infotainment system, manual air conditioning, and fabric seats. Suzuki has improved the seat cushioning for better comfort, and while it may not be packed with luxury features, it provides everything you need for a comfortable city commute. The rear seats offer decent space for 2 adults, but long journeys with a full load might feel a bit cramped. In terms of safety, Suzuki has equipped the Alto VXR with dual airbags, an anti-lock braking system, ABS, and seatbelt reminders. While it's not the most feature-packed car in terms of safety, these additions make it a much better option than its predecessors. Price-wise, the 2025 Suzuki Alto VXR remains one of the most affordable hatchbacks in its segment. With rising fuel prices and urban traffic congestion, this car continues to be an excellent choice for daily commuters. That's a wrap for today's review. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Auto Legends Dynamics for more exciting car reviews. See you in the next one. Stay safe and keep driving.